Good morning, everyone. I'm Kia, and I'm back with another Kia sequel, and I'm outside with my husband. Hey, baby.
Hey.
We had to order another carburetor, baby. Go ahead, say it.
All right, so we had to order another carburetor. The guy said that this carburetor was stopped up from the gas sitting there with rust and everything. He told us we had to take this bolt out, and as you can see, we couldn't get that out. So the new carburetor came with the screws right here in these two sides, and we could have took it out and fixed it if it had the screws there, but so no, we couldn't. We had to order another one, and that's what I'm doing this morning, putting it back on. So we're almost there. I'm gonna have this guy running today and cut down some of these trees we got growing in the yard. Yes, they are very high right now.
This is a Bilt TB110 push lawnmower, and it has given us hell because we didn't know what we were doing at first. But my husband is a jack of all trades, and he's going to learn how to, you know what I'm saying, do what he need to do.
Cause he cheap.
No.
He's not paying nobody. We don't pay enough to cut this grass.
Yes, look at our grass, you guys, so high. How many screws go back in there, baby?
3.
3. You got all 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank y'all for sticking around. Thank y'all for y'all subscriptions. Thank y'all for the positive comments. We appreciate y'all.
So guys, if I was at my grandmother's house this morning, she'd tell me to put this shit down. You do the Lord's work on Sunday. You don't cut no grass on no Sunday. You know better, boy. So I know my values.
Yeah.
But my work schedule is sun up to sundown. And these mosquitoes out here is disrespectful.
Aren't they?
Like we're swamp people or something out here.
Oh, goodness. I love watching swamp people.
So I have to get it in when I can.
Yeah.
I don't feel like it's in the right.
You take it out? Or...
It's too tight.
Do we have to go get new gas?
No.
Do we have to put some oil in here? No? Okay.
What I do need though is one of those good old hearty biscuits this morning for breakfast, little butter biscuit.
Some Hardee's?
Yeah. A little coffee. That'll really get me going.
Really get you going?
Yeah. Because we got the emphasis on we. Mm-hmm. Got to push this yard.
Yes, we do. You want to describe how big our yard is, baby?
We've got a good acre easy.
Mm-hmm.
And that back is twice as bad as this front.
That back, oh goddamn thick, boy.
I think somebody putting fertilizer back there or something.
My goodness. It's a whole different ball game from the front yard to the backyard. Like,
it's a different kind of grass too.
My goodness. My goodness. How long do you think we're going to be out here?
A couple days.
A couple days.
Because it's too high right now just to run through.
Yeah.
We got to go slow, or I got to raise it up and then do it twice.
Well, we're going to do what it needs to, you know. We're going to get it together, baby.
Yeah, I'm going to make it do what it do, baby.
Oh, shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sing the song, baby.
Not a sport.
No.
So I had that biscuit, you see? Yeah.
You were showing out, baby. Let your man be the man, honey. Part 2. Gotta love it. Them birds right there calling each other.
Yeah.
Oh, snap now. That's the filter case.
Yep.
Gonna pop that baby back on. So we don't need to start a fluid or anything?
We should not.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, shit now. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
Yeah, first the guy told us we need to prime it.
Prime it.
And we say they get 2 days looking for a primer.
Uh-huh.
They don't have.
And ours don't have a primer. The button, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna fill it up like I did last time.
Yeah, we didn't spill a good amount of it. Gotta see if this bad boy finna start, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
If we don't, we got to go get a biscuit.
Good God almighty, I want a biscuit. I want a biscuit. All right. You don't want to move it back? Oh, okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, damn. What we doing wrong, baby?
Start fluid in there.
Starter fluid in there? Okay, let's not lose hope, you guys. Let's not lose hope. Got my handy dandy fan to fan my husband with. He got a towel over his head because the mosquitoes was biting his ears real bad. Starter fluid. Spray it in that filter. Oh, you took the filter off.
Yeah.
Spray it where the filter goes. Okay. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh, what in the hell? Come on. Damn it. Well, you guys, we'll be back after these messages.
What is wrong with this thing?
New carburetor, new spark plug. That's what you put in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, new spark plug, new carburetor. Damn. Damn. Like I said, we're not going to lose hope, you guys. But this project right here has took a toll on us. If y'all have any suggestions, any information, let us know. Leave us a comment. We really do appreciate it. See you guys. Love you guys. Bye, you guys.